In this video, I will be teaching you about macros, what is a macro, and how to track your macros. So macro stands for macronutrient. Macronutrients are nutrients that are needed in large quantities for normal growth and development. Macronutrients include three categories, which is protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Protein has 4 calories per gram, carbohydrates have 4 calories per gram, and fats have 9 calories per gram. You can figure out how many macronutrients something has by looking at the nutrition label. For example, I'm going to take this minute jasmine rice and look at the nutrition facts. And the first one that you see is the calories per serving. So for this instance, it has 220 calories per serving. And if you look at the serving size, which is right above that, it says 2 servings per container, serving size 1 cup. You also have the total fat, which is 2.5 grams. To the right, you have the total carbohydrate, which is 43 grams. Then you have the protein, which is 4 grams. These are the main things that you want to look at when you're looking at a nutrition label. The first thing you want to do is download MyFitnessPal to your phone and input your calorie goals that your trainer has set for you into MyFitnessPal. Go to more, then you're going to go to goals, go to calorie, carbs, protein, and fat goals. You will be able to adjust based on what your calorie goals are. You're going to type in your calorie goals, and then whatever the percentages that your trainer has set for you, you're going to match those. For example, I'm going to do 2,000 calories. I'm going to do carbs 40%, protein 30%, and fat 30%. Okay, there you have it. So if your calorie goal is 2,000, then your carbohydrates are going to be at 40% and it is going to be 199 grams. Your protein goal will be 151 grams for 30%, and your fat goal will be 67 grams for 30%. The goals are now at the top of the screen. I want to input this Skinny Pop here. So what I will do is I will add food to my snacks. I will press scan barcode. Just scan the barcode and then it pops up here, and as you see, it matches to the 80 calories, 8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. So after you add that food, it subtracts from your calories remaining. You can check your goals out that way. So let's say, for instance, you want to add a food such as a fruit or vegetable or something that does not have a barcode that you can scan. You will search at the top, search for a food. You're going to type in banana. The ones with the green check marks are verified, and those are more commonly used. And then as you see here, it has 105 calories, 27 grams of carbs. Another way you can check to see if the calories are right is by doing a quick Google search of how many calories does a banana have. 105 calories. You can match that to what is in MyFitnessPal, which would be the first option, and then that would be the option that you want to choose. Let's say you want to track something that you have cooked that is something such as a chicken breast. In that case, you would want to get a food scale and you want to measure out your portions. It's really pretty simple. So what you would do is you would take the food scale, put it down, put your plate on top of it, tear out the plate. That way you're not measuring the weight of the plate, but you're only measuring what you're eating. So then you would place your chicken breast or whatever the food is on top of it. You would see how much it weighs, and then you would go into MyFitnessPal. You're going to type in grilled chicken breast, and as you can see, a bunch of different ones pop up, but in this case, if you know the brand of the chicken breast, you can also type that in. In this case, it is Perdue. There's one chicken breast grilled Perdue, and that serving size is 3 ounces. Then you want to go into the serving size and you can change it to 1 ounce, and then you can type in exactly however much your portion that you weighed is. So let's just say that this is 4 ounces, and then you can even change it to 4.5, or you can be a lot more precise with it. Let's say that you are going out to eat, or you pick something up on the road and you are needing to track the food that you picked up. So for this example, we're going to use a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I want to add food, so I'm going to say Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Sometimes they will have it already inputted in there for you. So if you see here, this original chicken sandwich, it has the green check mark, so it is verified. That is what I would add in there. So let's say that you are going out to a restaurant and you have searched the food into MyFitnessPal and you're not seeing it pop up. Here's a way that you can track your food if you're going out to eat at a restaurant. So a lot of the times at restaurants, if you look at the menu, they will have the number of calories next to the food that you're eating. That is a good range to kind of keep in mind for when you're typing in your calories into MyFitnessPal. If they don't have that, again, no need to panic. Another option that you could do is just send me the food that you're eating from the restaurant and I can do that work for you. I don't mind whatsoever. But if you would like to do it yourself and learn how to do it yourself, then what you can do is just look at the food that you're eating. Let's say that you picked out pork chops with a baked potato and some vegetables. Then you're going to individually just type in the pork chop, type it into MyFitnessPal, pick the one with the green check mark, add that in, baked potato, add that in, and then whatever else that you had. Let's say if you had some bacon bits on the baked potato, you want to add that in as well. You will not get a super precise reading from going out to eat and doing it this way. However, it will be a general estimate, which is totally fine. So don't feel super pressured when you go out to eat. Just keep in mind that you want tracking your food to be pretty quick and easy and you don't want to stress over it. I hope that this helped you to get started on tracking your macros. I hope that you learned a lot from this video, and if you have any extra questions, please feel free to reach out. That is what I'm here for. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you with your goals, and I don't want this to be a super stressful thing because it's really not. It's pretty easy to do, especially once you get the hang of it. I appreciate your time in watching this video.